Learning English is a wonderful journey. You learn new words, new grammar, and new ways to talk to people. One of the first things you will do is introduce yourself.
Introducing yourself in English with JB and Jen.
Hi everyone, welcome, and thank you for stopping by. Please like, share and subscribe to stay connected. Today, we're going to learn something very important: how to introduce yourself in English. Whether you're meeting someone for the first time, starting a new job, or joining a class, this video will help you feel confident and ready. Before you even say who you are, you'll most likely have to greet the other person by using a greeting expression, followed by your self-introduction, plus your name. So, the most basic way to introduce yourself is, "Hi, my name is," and you say your name.
Hi, my name is Sarah.
Or, "I'm," followed by your name.
I'm Sarah.
Hi can be replaced with other greeting expressions like hello, good morning, good afternoon, for example. Let's try it together. Hi, my name is Sarah.
Hi, my name is Sarah.
Hello, my name is Gregory.
Hello, my name is Gregory.
Hi, my name is JB.
Hi, my name is JB.
Hello, my name is Jen.
Hello, my name is Jen.
Great! You already know how to greet someone in English. Now, let's focus on how to introduce yourself in English. My name is Jimmy Felix.
My name is Jimmy Felix.
My name is Melissa Roberts.
My name is Melissa Roberts.
My name is Brandon.
My name is Brandon.
My name is Jessica Butler.
My name is Jessica Butler.
As we said earlier, you can also say something like, "I'm," followed by your name. It's a little more casual, but widely used in daily conversations. Let's practice together. I'm Gregory.
I'm Gregory.
I'm Sarah.
I'm Sarah.
I'm Jack.
Hi, I'm Janie.
I'm Jack O'Neill.
Hi, I'm Janie Ram.
You've got it. After you introduce yourself, it is common social convention to express happiness, or at least, politeness, when you meet someone new, which you can do by using any of the following expressions. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
It's nice to meet you.
It's nice to meet you.
It's nice meeting you.
It's nice meeting you.
It's good to meet you.
It's good to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Nice to meet you too.
Now it's time to spice up your learning experience with a demo video about introducing yourself. I mean, how to introduce yourself in English, with examples.
Learning English is a wonderful journey. You learn new words, new grammar, and new ways to talk to people. One of the first things you will do is introduce yourself. This is a very important skill. Why? Because your introduction is your first impression. It is the first time someone meets you. A good introduction can help you make a new friend. It can help you get a new job. It can also make you feel more confident when you speak English. It shows people that you are friendly and open to conversation, which is a fantastic start to any relationship, whether it is personal or professional. Think about meeting someone for the first time. What do you notice? You probably notice their smile, their clothes, and what they say. When you introduce yourself in English, you are giving people information about you. You are telling them your name and maybe a little bit about yourself. This first moment is special. It sets the tone for everything that comes next. A warm and clear introduction makes people feel comfortable with you. They will want to talk to you more. It's like opening a door to a new connection, and you are the one holding the key. Learning how to introduce yourself well is like learning the first few steps of a dance. Once you know the steps, you can dance with anyone. It doesn't matter if you are a beginner or if you have been learning English for a long time. Practicing your introduction will make you feel much better. You will not be so nervous when you meet new people. This skill is useful in so many situations, from traveling to a new country to joining an online class with students from all over the world. So let's start this journey together. In this guide, we will look at different ways to introduce yourself. We will learn what to say in formal situations, like a job interview. We will also learn what to say in informal situations, like when you meet a new friend at a coffee shop. Don't worry if it seems difficult at first. With a little bit of practice, you will be able to introduce yourself in English with confidence and ease. Let's unlock this important skill and open up a world of new conversations and opportunities. When you introduce yourself, the words you choose are very important. The situation will tell you if you need to be formal or informal. A formal introduction is for serious or professional situations. Think about meeting your new boss, a teacher, or an important client. In these cases, it is best to use polite and respectful language. You should use a person's last name if you know it. For example, Mr. Smith or Miss Chen. Using full sentences is also a good idea. A formal introduction often follows a simple pattern. You can start with a polite greeting. For example, good morning or good afternoon. Then you can say your full name. It's very common to say, hello, my name is your full name. Shaking hands is also very common in many cultures during a formal introduction. After saying your name, you can add a simple, polite phrase. For example, you might say, it's a pleasure to meet you, or it's very nice to meet you. This is a classic and safe way to begin. Now let's talk about informal introductions. These are for relaxed, friendly situations. Imagine you are at a party, a park, or meeting a friend of a friend. Here you can use more casual language. You don't need to be so serious. You can use first names only. Instead of good morning, you can say hi or hey. These greetings are friendly and warm. They help create a relaxed atmosphere and show that you are ready for a casual conversation. For an informal introduction, you can keep it short and simple. You can say, hi, I'm your first name. For example, hi, I'm Sarah. After you say your name, the other person will probably say their name too. You can respond with a friendly phrase like, nice to meet you or great to meet you. Sometimes you can also add a little bit more information about yourself, like, I'm a friend of Tom's or I'm in the same English class as you. This helps to start a longer and more interesting conversation. Let's imagine some real situations. First, picture yourself on the first day of your English class. You want to introduce yourself to your new teacher. This is a formal situation, so you should be polite. You can walk up to the teacher after class and say, hello, Miss Davis. My name is Maria Sanchez. It's a pleasure to be in your class. This is respectful and clear. The teacher will appreciate your politeness. This good first impression can help you build a positive relationship with your teacher for the rest of the course, making your learning experience even better. Now, let's think about a more relaxed situation. Imagine you are at a local coffee shop. You see someone you recognize from your neighborhood. You want to make a new friend. This is an informal situation. You can be friendly and casual. You could smile and say, hi, I'm Anna. I think we live on the same street. This is a great way to start a conversation. It's not too formal, and it shows you are open and friendly. The other person might respond, oh, hi, Anna. I'm Ben. Yes, I've seen you around. Nice to finally meet you. Our third scenario is a very important one, a job interview. This is a very formal situation. Your introduction can show the interviewer that you are professional and confident. When you meet the interviewer, you should stand up, smile, and offer a firm handshake. You can say, good morning, Mr. Jones. My name is Kenji Tanaka. Thank you for seeing me today. It's a pleasure to meet you. This introduction is perfect. It is polite, respectful, and shows that you are serious about the opportunity. It sets a professional tone for the rest of the interview. In each scenario, notice how the language changes. For the teacher and the job interview, we used last names and polite phrases like, it's a pleasure to meet you. For the new friend at the coffee shop, we used first names and a more casual opening. The key is to think about who you are talking to and where you are. Is it a professional setting or a social one? Answering this question will help you choose the right words. Practicing these different scenarios will help you feel prepared for any situation you might encounter in your daily life. Sounding confident is just as important as knowing the right words. Your body language speaks a lot. When you introduce yourself, try to stand up straight. Keep your shoulders back and your head up. This shows that you are feeling sure of yourself, even if you are a little nervous inside. Making eye contact is also very important. Look the other person in the eye when you speak to them. It shows that you are honest and engaged in the conversation. And don't forget to smile. A warm, genuine smile makes you seem friendly and approachable. The speed and clarity of your voice also matter. Speak slowly and clearly. Don't rush your words. When people are nervous, they often speak too fast. Take a deep breath before you start speaking. This will help you relax and control your voice. Pronounce your name clearly so the other person can understand and remember it. You don't need to have perfect pronunciation, but speaking clearly shows confidence. If you think someone did not hear you, it's perfectly okay to repeat your name slowly. For example, my name is Alexandra. Alexandra. Here are a few key phrases that are very useful to remember. For formal situations, keep these in your pocket. Hello, my name is full name. It's a pleasure to meet you. It's an honor to meet you. These are always safe and polite. For informal situations, you can use these friendly phrases. Hi, I'm first name. Hey, what's up? I'm first name. Nice to meet you, or great to meet you. Having these phrases ready will make your introductions much smoother and less stressful. Finally, remember that practice makes perfect. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes when they are learning something new. The most important thing is to try. You can practice in front of a mirror. You can practice with a friend or a family member. The more you practice, the more natural it will feel. Soon, introducing yourself in English will be easy and automatic. You will be able to walk into any room, meet new people, and start a conversation with a confident hello. You can do it.
That's it for today. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time in another video. Make sure you don't miss our next lesson, which is about introducing others in English. Ciao.
Bye.